Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Andhika Pratama from the Technocrat University of Indonesia, Faculty of Economics and Business, Accounting Study Program. Here I will explain about management planning. Happy watching. Definition of management planning. Management planning is the process of setting objectives and determining the best course of action to achieve those objectives. It involves analyzing current situations, forecasting future conditions, and developing strategies to coordinate resources and activities effectively. Planning provides a roadmap for decision-making and helps organizations navigate uncertainties, ensuring that goals are met efficiently and effectively. The importance of management planning in an organization. Management planning is crucial for organizations for several reasons. 1. Goal setting establishes clear objectives that guide the direction of the organization. 2. Resource allocation ensures efficient use of resources, human, financial, and physical, by prioritizing tasks. 3. Coordination aligns activities across different departments, promoting collaboration and reducing redundancies. 4. Risk management identifies potential challenges and uncertainties, allowing organizations to develop contingency plans. 5. Performance measurement provides benchmarks for evaluating progress and effectiveness, enabling adjustments as needed. 6. Adaptability prepares organizations to respond to changing environments and market conditions effectively. 7. Motivation and focus engages employees by clarifying their roles and responsibilities, fostering a sense of purpose. Overall, effective management planning enhances organizational efficiency and effectiveness, contributing to long-term success. Purpose of management planning. The purpose of management planning includes 1. Setting objectives, clearly defining short-term and long-term goals to provide direction for the organization. 2. Guiding decision-making, establishing a framework for making informed choices that align with the organization's goals. 3. Resource management, ensuring optimal allocation and utilization of resources, including time, personnel, and finances. 4. Coordinating activities, aligning the efforts of different departments and teams to work toward common objectives. 5. Risk mitigation, identifying potential risks and developing strategies to minimize their impact on the organization. 6. Performance measurement, creating benchmarks and indicators to assess progress and adjust strategies as needed. 7. Fostering adaptability, equipping the organization to respond effectively to changes in the external environment. Overall, management planning serves as a roadmap for achieving success and navigating challenges within the organization. Management planning process. The management planning process involves several key steps to ensure effective organizational planning. Here's an outline. 1. Define objectives. Clearly articulate the organization's goals and objectives. Ensure they are SMART, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, time-bound. 2. Assess current situation. Conduct a situational analysis, SWOT, strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, threats. Evaluate internal and external environments. 3. Identify resources. Determine the resources available, financial, human, technological. Assess resource constraints. 4. Develop strategies. Create strategies to achieve the defined objectives. Consider different options and approaches. 5. Implement the plan. Outline specific action steps, timelines, and responsibilities. Ensure effective communication of the plan to all stakeholders. 6. Monitor and evaluate. Establish key performance indicators, KPIs, to measure progress. Regularly review the plan's effectiveness and make adjustments as needed. 7. Feedback and adjustment. Gather feedback from stakeholders and team members. Adjust strategies and objectives based on evaluation results and changing circumstances. This structured approach helps organizations align their activities with strategic goals, ensuring efficient use of resources and adaptability to change. Management planning methods. Here are some key management planning methods. 1. Strategic planning. Focuses on long-term goals and the overall direction of the organization. Involves SWOT analysis, setting objectives, and defining strategies. 2. Tactical planning. Short-term planning that translates strategic plans into actionable steps. Often department-specific and focuses on achieving specific objectives within a year. 3. Operational planning. Detailed planning that focuses on day-to-day operations. Includes processes, budgets, and resource allocation. 4. Contingency planning. Prepares for unexpected events or emergencies. Involves creating backup plans and alternative strategies. 5. Project planning. Specific to projects, outlining tasks, timelines, and resources needed. Utilizes tools like Gantt charts and project management software. 6. Participatory planning. Involves stakeholders at various levels in the planning process. Encourages input and collaboration, fostering buy-in and commitment. 7. Rolling planning. Continuously updates plans as conditions change. Allows organizations to be more flexible and responsive. 8. Scenario planning. Explores various future scenarios and their implications. Helps organizations prepare for uncertainty and adapt strategies accordingly. These methods can be used individually or in combination, depending on the organization's needs and the specific context of the planning process. Constraints in management planning. Here are some common constraints in management planning. 1. Limited resources. Financial constraints, budget limitations can restrict the scope of plans. Human resources, availability of skilled personnel may affect project execution. 2. Time constraints. Tight deadlines can lead to rushed decisions and incomplete analyses. Time pressure may limit thorough evaluation of options. 3. Uncertainty and risk. Market volatility and changing economic conditions can disrupt plans. Unforeseen events, e.g., natural disasters, pandemics, may require quick adjustments. 4. Organizational culture. Resistance to change can hinder the implementation of new plans. Ingrained practices may limit flexibility and innovation. 5. Regulatory and legal constraints. Compliance with laws and regulations can restrict planning options. Changes in regulations can necessitate rapid plan modifications. 6. Stakeholder expectations. Conflicting interests among stakeholders can complicate decision-making. Balancing diverse perspectives may lead to compromises that dilute effectiveness. 7. Technological limitations. Outdated technology can hinder the ability to implement plans effectively. Lack of access to necessary tools or data can impede strategic planning. 8. Communication barriers. Poor communication can lead to misunderstandings and misalignment. Lack of transparency can foster distrust among team members. Understanding these constraints can help managers devise strategies to mitigate their impact and improve the effectiveness of the planning process. That's a little explanation from me. I hope it helps. Thank you.